And I want to shift to another topic here, and that deals with the Affordable Care Act. And I really don't get this, Shannon. I don't get this administration, the Trump administration, who continues want to screw with people signing up for the Affordable Care Act. Now, we might remember what happened before where they said they were going to stop advertising, stop pushing it out. Now, the Trump administration plans to have maintenance downtime for HealthCare.gov during the period when people actually get to sign up. I'm sorry. I don't care if you are Republican. I don't care if you oppose this. To prevent people from getting the Affordable Care Act, care their lives, is shameful and despicable by this administration.
Again, I can't argue that point. Healthcare should be a basic right, like food, air, water, certain things. So when you say that the website is down for maintenance, when you look at this administration, you have to understand something. Donald Trump's perspective is as a businessman, dollars and cents. The let's cut all the bull. Affordable Care Act costs money. It's not sexy. It's not cute. So if you're really going to do things to try and shift resources and shift funding, you're going to go where you're going to get the best bang for your buck. I'm not saying I agree with them because I don't. But when you have folks that are more interested in politics than people, these are the kind of issues you face. And it's up to the folks that are at the state level and the county level and the local level, regardless of party, to understand when they walk out their doors and see their neighbors, they don't see party, they see people, and act accordingly to the needs of people.
So, Malik, you tell me that the last 10 months, they couldn't figure out to have maintenance on the website. They decided to actually do it when it's time to sign up for the Affordable Care Act?
Well, I don't know about that. I would think that within 10 months they would be able to do that. But, you know, I don't know what the rationale is behind the maintenance during the same time.
Because you know what the rationale is. They want to keep people from signing up for the Affordable Care Act. That's
well, no,
it.
I don't know that. I don't know that
Malik,
at all.
Bruh.
Well, I mean, you can say that, but just because you say it doesn't mean that it's true.
Hold up, Malik. So last year, when they decided they were going to stop running ads, why did they do that?
Well, they did it because they had a problem with, were we still in the repeal phase of Affordable Care Act? Or are you talking about
hold on. First of all, you ain't repealed nothing.
Well, I'm asking whether or not we were in that repeal phase of Affordable Care. Is that what you're talking about? First of all,
they had about 75,000 votes trying to repeal it, so I don't know what the hell phase you're talking about.
Well, they never repealed it. Yeah, they never repealed it.
But here's the other deal, Malik. You also have the Republicans who not only that wouldn't even send out officials to talk about it. So now all of a sudden you decide to maintenance on the website right when it's time to sign up.
Well, that's good, right? They're doing maintenance on the website.
Hell
that's
no.
Good, right?
No, it's not good. It's not.
See, guess what? You're going to be one of those folks with a pre-existing condition or a family member, so they actually get to repeal it, and then it's like, oh, what happened? Oh, my bad. The old law, you could go ahead and be covered, but under the Trump law, you're not going to be able to be covered. Teresa?
No, I think, again, like you said, Roland, you are calling it straight to the surface, right? Putting feet to the fire. And unfortunately, again, as Shannon was talking about, in terms of bringing, people first, that is the mindset of what we should be talking about here. Maintenance during a crucial period in people's lives in order to take care of their families and their own individual health during maintenance season. I think, again, it's another rushing crush. And I'm, for one, actually surprised that I haven't heard any real media coverage about that, because again, it's not about the people that's being at the forefront of this conversation.
Well, again, they also did the exact same thing last year, and this just shows you, frankly, how trifling they are. And check this out. What's so crazy is that the downtime. So you're talking about more than 20+ hours again, but you waited until it's sign-up time to check the website. Yeah, we know that's filed.